a Cybertruck was seen conquering Hurricane Helene floodwaters without any issues. Some Cybertruck owners in Florida are using wade mode to navigate through flooded roads after Category 4 Hurricane Helene made landfall. Wade mode uses the truck's built-in air suspension to pressurize the battery, enabling it to drive in water up to 31 inches deep for 30 minutes. For those who bought a Tesla Cybertruck, this was the real-world test of its wade mode and also the power share feature, which allows it to power the house and keep the lights on in an outage. This beast is built for the hurricane zones. It's rugged, powerful, and clearly designed to handle the most extreme conditions. That said, we are glad it's finding its place with folks who need something ready to tackle catastrophic weather. In extreme weather conditions like storm, the Cybertruck should be used as emergency vehicles.